Policy Resolution 14, Firearms, we have a video.
Policy Resolution number 14, submitted by Annette Bernay-Messerschmidt and David Laskowski.
Rights, Infringement Protection 403.1.
We believe the Government of Alberta should advocate for provincial jurisdiction over the ownership and use of firearms with the understanding that property is an unalienable right. Many Albertans believe firearms should be considered property and therefore under provincial jurisdiction.
Section 92.13 of the Constitution Act gives provinces exclusive jurisdiction over property and civil rights in the province. To illustrate, firearms and vehicles are similar forms of property. The use of both involves safety considerations and conditions of ownership and use. Yet, the federal government does not regulate vehicle ownership and use, despite many more accidental deaths and injuries resulting from the use of motor vehicles than from firearms.
We believe Albertans want our property upheld as an unalienable right.
Mr. Tulk.
Lord Tulk, Red Deer South. While I understand the desire to do something like this, let's think about the consequences. Right now, I can have my pal and my shotgun and I can drive from Victoria to St. John's, Newfoundland. If we allow provincial jurisdiction and the Saskatchewan people make the stupid decision to put the NDP in power, I might not be able to go east of the border in Saskatchewan. This needs to be federal jurisdiction. We need to work with the other provinces to increase and strengthen our firearm rights, not become a balkanized regulatory regime on firearms. Thank you.
To the yes mic, yes sir.
Mitch Sylvester, Bonneville, Cold Lake, St. Paul. What I see, Mr. Tulk, is that the federal government is absolutely trying to take our guns away from us. Our biggest concern is the laws that we have right now in the Alberta Bill of Rights do not protect our rights. And they cannot do it based on this situation. So what we need to do is we need to change it. We need to change the wording and amend our new Bill of Rights as it says that we shall have the right to bear arms in accordance to federal law. I suggest something that's tried and true. A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state. The right of people to keep
I'm
and bear
sorry,
arms
sir. I know how long this takes, so we're going to have to cut you off at that point. Mr. Chan.
Raymond Chan, Calgary, Edmonton. I support responsible firearm ownership in Alberta, but calling it an unalienable right goes too far. Owners should at least pass criminal and mental health check. We already have similar policies in number 8 and 10 that advocate for increasing our capacity for legit defense. Thank you.
Thank you. Final word to the proponent.
Annette Bernay-Messerschmidt, Lac-Saint-Anne Parkland Board. I'll be pretty quick because I'm nervous, first of all, and admittedly, I'm not an expert on firearms, but I do strongly believe in unalienable rights, like I know many Albertans do as well. So let's help make the slogan, Alberta Strong and Free, make sense to the fullest. Please vote yes. Thank you.
Thank you. We're ready for the vote on Policy Resolution 14. All those in favor, please. Opposed? Motion carries.